favorite part of being associated with TORA and those volunteers?
I would say my favorite part is just having the opportunity to meet and associate with other people in the same industry. The Pinewood Derby cars, the money that we generate from that is all donated to SEMA Cares. And SEMA Cares, actually, that's donated to a couple of different children foundations. All of the money that we generate is donated to that, and it's a great cause.
The great thing about the SEMA Show, I think, is the people. It's the customer, it's the interaction. It's creating additional revenue streams, finding products that they can be successful with. The fraternal side of this, which is all the friends you met over the years, the reconnection that you get. Sometimes it's just once a year.
What is your favorite thing about this TORA Reception? This is a networking event.
Yeah, I mean, I think the networking, but then again, you know, look at what they're doing for the industry. There was an old adage a friend of mine named Brian Foster told me, and he said, never confuse effort and results. So the fact is that as one puts efforts in, be results oriented. And I think the world is always better than when you give more than you take. So I was very pleased to help. Great fundraising night, you know, great things that they do, and it involves so many people.